Hello Andrew, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this 2018 Ducati Multistrada 950SW, 10,764 kilometers, and the price is 12,188 plus the GST and license. This motorcycle is fully safety certified. Everything is ready for the season to go on the road, and everything is stock. The bike we took as a trade. The customer moved up to the 1250, and he's very happy with the product, so he moved up. And this bike is available at this time. If you want me to secure it, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.